naturally, this guy shouts, this Narada. But this Jaya Vijaya, they are instructed. This PRO, the secretary is already instructed by master. And now nothing can be done. Anyhow, the Narada says, I am not interested in waiting. I am straight away going. The problem is, when you work with master, you should know how to imbibe his attitude. You can't work based on his words. You have to work based on his being. Only then you can really work with him. You must be so deeply connected. You must be totally open to the master. Only then you will be able to catch his attitude. If you catch his attitude, you will never have a problem. If you don't catch his attitude, you will always have a problem, even if you follow his words. Even if you follow his words, you will have trouble. This Jaya and Vijaya, they caught only Vishnu's words. They have not caught the attitude. So they are in trouble. They stopped Narada, but Narada simply walked in. He did not bother. Then Jaya Vijaya started complaining. What? You are crossing us? How dare you are? Not only they stopped Narada, they did not even inform Vishnu. They could have at least, you see, two things. Either you should have enough intelligence to fall in tune with master, or you should have a little bit of intelligence to go and consult with the master at the time of trouble. If you do these two, you are saved. But these guys, neither they had intelligence to fall in tune with master, nor they had enough intelligence to go and consult the master when there is some new situation, when there is some trouble. These guys did not consult the master. They simply said no to the master and made him wait. Simply Narada cursed. Let you guys leave the Vaikuntha. Let you guys go and take birth in Buloka and suffer as human beings. Then immediately both of them realized the power of Narada. They went and fell at the feet of Vishnu. After getting the punishment, these fellows go and fall at the feet of Vishnu. Little bit of intelligence, they could have avoided the whole trouble. Go and consult the master, that's all. They could have avoided the whole trouble. But these idiots, by and by, they take the master for granted. They think, oh, after all, we know him. After all, we know him. He only gave the instruction, standard instruction. Even if he asks, we can justify. The attitude that we know him, even if he asks, we can fight with him, is the attitude which will destroy you. All the disciples listen. If you have the attitude, we have been given a standard instruction, we can follow that, and even if he questions, we can fight with him with his own words. His attitude will destroy you. Either catch my thinking system, fall in tune with it, or every inch consult. Every inch consult without using your head. These are only two ways to save yourself. These guys, neither they had intelligence to fall in tune with the master, nor they had intelligence to consult him at the time of difficulties, at the time of new situation. And after having punishment, they went and fell at the feet of Vishnu. Oh, save us, we have been cursed. Anyhow, master has to take care. Even after all this trouble, he has to take care. Then he comes and says, all right, now you have two choices. Whatever has happened, we can't do anything. You have heard the disciples' feeling. Now you have to suffer for that. But you have two choices. One, You can take 100 Janmas in the planet Earth, be as my devotees and come back. Another one, you can take just 3 Janmas in the planet Earth and be as my enemies and come back. What do you want? All these two guys, they choose, we will be your enemies because we don't want to be away from you for a long time. Even if they are enemies, it's okay. Only 3 Janmas, 300 years. Otherwise, 100 into 100, 10,000 years. We can't tolerate that much of punishment. They choose to be enemies. Then they come down as a Hiranya and Hiranyaksha in one Janma. In next Janma, Ravana and Kumbhakarna. And in third Janma, Sisubala and Kamsa. In 3 incarnations, in first they come down as a Hiranya and Hiranyaksha. Then the second they come down as a Ravana and Kumbhakarna. Third they come down as a Sisubala and Kamsa. And Lord comes as a incarnations of Narasimha, Rama and Krishna. They live as enemies and in the end they get liberated. The Krishna Avadara, there is a beautiful incident. When the Sisubala was killed, the Jyoti, a light comes from Sisubala's body and straight away goes to the Krishna's feet and disappears. All the people who are seeing, they are shocked. They said, what is Krishna? What is happening? He is your enemy and his energy is merging into your being. His soul is disappearing into you. What is happening? Then Krishna reveals the whole story. And he says, these 2 guys are my securities. They have misbehaved with my devotees. Of course, the real devotees. Not so-called devotees. You see, the securities are made to stand there to stop the so-called devotees. There are a lot of so-called devotees. But the security should have intelligence to consult. Intelligence to know whether they are so-called devotees or real devotees. If they don't have the intelligence, at least the intelligence to consult with the master again and again. At least now we have intercom, cell phone, email, everything. In those days, I don't think all these things were there. Now we have everything. We can always consult with master. When we don't and do something, then trouble starts. He says, after all, they are my securities. So they did some mistake. They have been punished. They have come down with the attitude of enemy. Now they achieved what has to be achieved. So they are liberated. One more thing. Even as an enemy, when you remember master, you are remembering him. That is the real thing. That is the real thing. So, there is 2 things. Remembering the master through greed, remembering the master through fear. Any way you can remember him, you will be liberated from both. How you remember master through fear, how you remember him through greed, how you will be liberated through any one path will be discussed in the next session. Thank you.